once again, wonderful family of friends and farmers. You are welcome to Benga Nature Farms. Today we are going to talk about ginger benefits, part 1 of the series. Ginger helps to speed up the digestion process and it helps to empty the stomach more quickly. Someone with digestive issues like constipation, like ulcer, might find adding ginger to his diet more helpful. Studies have revealed that those who consume ginger are able to digest their food twice as fast as those that fail to add ginger to their diet. It increases the movement in the digestive tract and helps to promote healthy enzymes that helps to break down the food that we eat. That's going to be all for part 1 of this series. We look forward to seeing you in our video next time for the part 2 of this series. But till then, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to give us a thumbs up. You can also comment on this video. You can also subscribe to this video and share this video with your friends and family. Until we meet again in the part 2 of the series, keep yielding healthy food that comes from the farm. Bye-bye.